With the new Sega Genesis Mini support from Hakchi, I'm sure many of you are interested in uninstalling Project Lunar in preparation for adding Hakchi. And I've seen in some comments that other folks who've added Project Lunar have decided that maybe it's at too early a state for them and they want to wait until there are more features. I know for me, I'm interested in when Project Lunar is updated to just leverage the stock UI and not add their own tiles, which is also available right now in Hakchi. So I may experiment with that later. But for now, I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to simply uninstall Project Lunar. First things first, go ahead and start Project Lunar. Make sure that you have your Sega Genesis Mini plugged into your computer with a data-capable USB cord, which I'm sure you're already familiar with because you would have needed that to install this in the first place. And then don't go to Open Game Manager, go to Install, Uninstall. And if you're like me, you forget about this. You try to do everything from Game Manager and spend 10 minutes trying to find an uninstall button that isn't there. Not the best user experience, but it is what it is. Hold down the Shift key, click the Uninstall button. Now, other times I've done this, I did get a scary message that this is going to reset everything. Do not use this as a factory reset. That's normal. It's okay. Go ahead and click OK. I didn't get that message this time, and honestly, I'm not sure why. There's really nothing different. But of course, this software is still in a beta state, so perhaps they've missed something. I should add, while this is uninstalling, before doing this, make sure to have created a backup. I also recommend updating your Sega Mini to the latest version. The latest firmware that Project Lunar has distributed now fixes an issue wherein files were left behind on uninstall. They say they've cleaned that up, and so as far as I know, there are no traces left behind when you uninstall, but you will need to update your Sega Mini beforehand to get that benefit. And you're done. One note, it is important that Project Lunar recognize your Sega Genesis Mini before you start the install or uninstall. Some people have reported that on uninstall, they're being asked to install a driver. They attempt to install the driver and they get an error. If you see that, just go ahead and click OK or dismiss and restart the process. You shouldn't have a problem. Hope you enjoyed. Good luck adding more games to your Sega Genesis Mini if in fact you are going to add Hakchi. If I do end up installing Hakchi and playing around with it, I will be sure and let you know. But I know people are having good luck with that right now and really enjoying it. So I would encourage you to check out Hakchi. I believe it's 3.7. Thank you so much, guys. We'll catch you next time.